Orienteering means so much for me. I am an elite orienteering, but it's not just about the competition, it's a lifestyle, and I'm sure I will run orienteering all my life.
For me, the fascination of orienteering is that you can find your way with just a map and a compass wherever you are on this world and find your own track.
In Sweden, where I come from, we have a lot of snow during the winter and it's cold and not so good for running. So it's so nice to come here and run in the sunshine, all these different kind of terrains at the Canary Islands.
And you can train flat, uphill, downhill. Sometimes it's really stony and sometimes it's a pine forest where you can run really fast. So it's very different and you can train almost everything.
My name is Tove Alexandersson and I'm world champion in orienteering.
I'm Daniel Hubmann, orienteering world champion.